In the following examples, we are asked to find the formula first for the nth term and then find the sixth term of the sequence. So this isn't terribly bad. We have to do a little bit of computation, but what we're going to do is we're going to make use of this formula, that a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. All right, so first thing we're going to note in the first set that we're given in the first example, the common difference. So I'm looking at this very quickly. From 2 to 6, the difference is 4, 6 to 10, 4, 10 to 14, 4, 14 to 18 is 4 again. Okay, so the common difference here being 4. Well, this right here is the first element. Okay, so we're pretty much set up to solve this now, to solve and find what the nth term formula is. If a1 equals 2 and d equals 4, then a sub n is going to be a1 plus n minus 1 times d. And we're going to leave everything in terms of n for a second. But a1 is going to be 2 and then plus n minus 1 times d, which is going to be 4. And now we're going to do a little bit of simple distribution. A sub n will equal 2 plus, now 4 times n is 4n, and 4 times a negative 1 is negative 4. So the nth term formula is going to be 4n, and then 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So that right there answers the first part. Okay, let me nudge this up just a little bit. And a sub 6 then is going to be 4 times 6 minus 2, which is 24. Take away 2, which is 22, which makes sense. That the next term would be 22, because if you're finding the sixth term and you've already been given the first 5 terms, 4 more will give you 22. So a sub 6 here is 22. And that's the second answer for this question. Now the next one, we've already been given a1, we've already been given d. So to generate the formula is very simple. We're going to say a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d again. And we're going to plug in what we know. We're going to keep the n's the same though. This right here becomes 77 plus n minus 1 times a negative 8. All right, not terribly difficult. Then again, we distribute. A sub n equals 77. Negative 8 times n is negative 8n. Negative 8 times negative 1, positive 8. So then a sub n is going to be negative 8n, and then plus 77 plus 8, 85. 85. Okay. So then what we're going to do here is to find a sub 6, which is what we're looking for, and we're going to box this first as our answer. Now we find a6, the sixth element of the sequence. Negative 8 times 6 plus 85, which is negative 48, plus 85, which is what? 37. So a6, the sixth element, is 37 in this sequence. Okay, so not terribly difficult. You really just applying the formula, and if you can apply the formula, then it's a piece of cake, or should I say a piece of pie. Interesting. Well, if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.